Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to turn on sleep mode on Windows 10 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To turn on sleep mode on Windows 10 computer, click on Start menu, then click on Settings icon. Now click on System. In left pane, you will find an option Power and Sleep. Click on Power and Sleep. There you will find four options under Power and Sleep. Under Screen, on battery power, turn off after. Click on drop down. I am selecting 3 minutes. And when plugged in, turn on after. Just again select 3 minutes and sleep on battery, select 5 minutes. You can select time as you need. Okay, this is the easiest way to turn on sleep mode on Windows 10 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.